you hit this arm, tell you disarm it, and we programmed it so double lock on pulse, so it unlocks the drivers and it goes ahead and unlocks all the rest of the doors. Okay, when you arm the system, gives you that blue LED light right there you see in the corner of the windshield. Okay. Right now, the panic button, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it'll fire off the alarm. We programmed it not to self-arm. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window to set off the alarm. Okay, that's a warning. And it also gives you the warning on the remote control. Okay, see the little hammer in the center. Now if you bang on the window a little harder, that will fire off the alarm. Okay, of course if somebody opens any of the doors, the alarm will fire off. It will prevent the car from starting. I'm going to go ahead and open the door. That will set off the alarm. Car won't start. That's the starter kill. Car won't start. Now when you turn off the alarm, the car crank right up. Okay. Comes with two remote controls. It comes with the one with the screen and then the standard one. The batteries are AAA. You just slide this tab and there's a AAA battery. Very user friendly to replace.